Most people get this wrong when trying to cash out on Blackout Bingo. They think winning a few games automatically means money will appear in their bank account instantly. But here's the truth no one tells you. The cash-out process is usually straightforward, but there are several important requirements and steps that many players overlook. In this video I'll explain exactly how Blackout Bingo cash-outs work in 2026, what you need before requesting a payout, and the biggest mistakes that can delay the process. Let's get straight into it. First, it's important to understand that cash-out availability depends on your location and eligibility. In some regions, cash prize competitions may be available, while in others they may not be offered due to local laws and regulations. If you're eligible, the process generally starts by earning winnings through qualifying competitions within the app. This is where most people fail. They confuse bonus currency, promotional credits, and withdrawable winnings. Not every balance displayed inside the app is necessarily available for withdrawal. Before requesting a payout, check which funds are eligible to be cashed out, and review the platform's current rules. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users focus entirely on winning games, but never verify their account information. That can create problems later. For example, Jake wins several matches and immediately requests a withdrawal. However, his account details are incomplete, causing delays. Alex verifies his information early, understands the requirements, and experiences a smoother withdrawal process. That small step can save a lot of time. But here's the problem. Many people expect payouts to arrive instantly. In reality, processing times can vary. Once a withdrawal request is submitted, the platform may need time to review the transaction, confirm account information, and complete the payment process. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid most cash-out issues. Before that, always double-check your payment method details. A simple mistake in account information can create unnecessary delays or failed transactions. Now here's the easiest way to make the process smoother. Before requesting a cash-out, review all payout requirements inside the app. Check your account status. Verify your information. Confirm that your winnings are eligible for withdrawal, and make sure you've met any applicable minimum withdrawal requirements. This simple checklist prevents most common problems. Let's quickly recap. Make sure cash competitions are available in your region. Understand the difference between bonus credits and withdrawable winnings. Verify your account information. Review your payment details carefully. Check all withdrawal requirements. And allow time for processing after submitting your request. Follow these steps, and you'll have a much better understanding of how Blackout Bingo cash outs work in 2026. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more gaming app tutorials and honest reviews, and let me know in the comments if you've successfully cashed out from Blackout Bingo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.